Okay, quick little video on this QK20R. Picked it up this morning, brand new. And first thing I'm doing before I even get it off the trailer is switching the pilot controls from ISO to SAE, or otherwise known as the John Deere Backhoe style. I don't think I've seen another video with the same hydraulic block layout as this 2026 CFG Industrials QK20R. So I figured go ahead and put up a video. To change it over was really super simple. It's just a matter of swapping this line with this line. So swapping the boom and the stick. You have to do it on the top of this hydraulic block, and then you have to come down underneath and do it on the bottom as well. Swap this line with the one on the other side, and that's all there was to it. I was surprised I didn't have to take the pedals off or the sticks off to remove the floorboard. I was able to manipulate it around the pedals, so that was nice. Overall, even though I haven't operated the machine, pretty happy with this unit. Looks so far everything seems to be tight. Looks like everything's greased, and I'll go ahead and do the normal checklist. I'll be changing the hydraulic fluid and the engine oil. I think I'm going to order a quick attach bucket attachment, and then I'd like to get a one of those shanks for the bucket so I can tear out some roots. One of the first projects I have for this is removing some tree stumps around the house, so I think that would work out really great. I was able to load this thing straight on the trailer without using the ramps, just by picking the front up and rolling forward, so that was nice. I was a little afraid to use these aluminum ramps, figured it might be a little too heavy for those, but I wasn't sure what the capabilities of the machine were going to be, if it would even lift itself up onto the trailer, and didn't have any problems. Everything went just fine. So it's got the gasoline engine. Probably going to end up doing a heat blanket around the muffler. I'm not sold on the hydraulic cooler or filter quite yet. I think I'm going to go ahead and just change the fluid and run it for a few hours before I even consider that. Anyways, just wanted to show you how to change over the controls with this dual hydraulic block type system on the 2026 QK20R. Looking forward to getting this thing back together and trying it out, seeing how it runs. Let me know your thoughts on switching the controls over to the John Deere Backhoe style. I've seen some other videos where they say that you're moving the boom farther away from the hydraulic inlet, and it may affect the way it operates. So I'm curious how this will operate now that I've changed the controls over. Maybe I'll do an update video when I have it off the trailer and start doing some tests here and there. Thank you.